Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Abdul Musa, living in your state Unguru, studied computer science at College of Education and Legal Studies. So here is a website or platform I built to help Nigerians end poverty, but not only Nigerians, but the whole of Africa to end poverty. So here is an investment platform that you will invest your money and be earning profits every day. So here is how to join. So if you wanted to join the platform, you can easily click on join now or sign up, or click on get started for free. So anywhere you click, it will take you to a sign up form. You sign in and start your investment. So here is it, the minimum deposit, the minimum money you deposit to your account is a 1,000, and here is the minimum investment. If you invest 1,000, you will get 1,000 for free. For that registration, you will get 1,000 for free. So you can start with the 2,000. That's the minimum investment, and the minimum withdrawal is 3,000. So here is what you invest. You can invest 1,000, like you see here. You can invest 1,000 and earn 200 naira daily. Here you can invest 3,000 and earn 400 naira daily. So depending on what you invest, if you invest a small amount of money, you will be earning small amount of money daily. If you invest large amount of money, you will be getting a profit of large amount of money every day. So depending on what you invest, and here is the why invest with our company. The reason why you invest with this AB option is that award-winning platform, and it is a customizable interface, convenient withdrawals. You can withdraw any type of currency, dollar, naira, Japanese yen, and different type of currency. And you have a 24 or 7 days support. If you have a problem, you can contact our support, and our team will support you. So here is a video we drop. If you wanted to know more about the platform, or if you don't know how to join, so you can watch the video and start. So this is what our client says. That's it. So if you are ready to get access to the world of investing, that's the platform, you can easily sign up here. Select your country and password, then you sign up. And one amazing thing is that you can sign up with your Google account. If you have a Google account, you can sign up with your Google account. And one amazing thing with this platform is that it's not must that you must have a system. You can do it using your mobile phone. The website is responsive. You can use your mobile phone and have a free access to it. So I try on my best to do this platform to help Nigerians end poverty. So if you wanted to use it on your mobile phone, here is how you do it.
I used to think that I would never fall in love, and then you showed me that you could be everything I want. I gave my heart away, they put it on the shelf and took